High-level coaching is all about high-level questioning because you already have so much information and experiences stored inside of you. Everything you need to win is already inside of you. I'm just skilled enough to pull it out of you and ask more questions about what you believe to be true about this information and these experiences that are in you, and put us in an uncomfortable position where we have to ask ourselves, why am I not taking the next step? I love one-on-one coaching because I get to hear your patterns of thinking. I get to break down and shift your perspective so you can see what you've been unable to see thus far. Your procrastination, just a symptom of your belief system. Your perfectionist personality, a symptom of your insecurities and your fears. Your need to stay up late into the wee hours of the night and call yourself a night owl just so you can check another thing off your to-do list. Just a symptom of your lack of belief around the peace and fulfillment and rest that you deserve. If you're not going to check yourself about all of this, you need a coach that's going to check you respectfully and with love.